Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we're going to learn about protecting animals. As you can see, there is a hunter with a gun who's running behind the zebra, and the zebra is trying to save himself and he is just running very fast. So now let's learn in detail about how we can protect our animals. You know children, the very bad thing that we humans do, we cut trees in the forest, we destroy the forest, and you can see it in the pictures. Now, you must be thinking, why are we cutting down these trees? We cut trees in forests because we want wood. And from the wood, we make different things such as table, desk, ladder, bookshelf, wardrobe, pencils, drawers, bird table, shed, etc. So for our own purpose, for our own greed, for our own wants, we are cutting down the forest because we want wood. Secondly, we are cutting trees in forests for land because we think that trees are there in the forest, so that piece of land is waste. Let us cut the trees, make the land empty, and then what we can do on that land? We can build factories on that land. We can build tall skyscrapers. We can build the bridges, offices, etc. As we are cutting forests for wood and land, so many animals are losing shelter. We humans have become so greedy that we are taking away the homes of these animals. At times, we humans hunt animals for fun, and at times we hunt them for their body parts. So it is just like a fun activity for us that we are hunting the animals, and we feel very proud about it that yes, I have hunted a tiger, I have hunted a leopard. At times we are killing the animals because we want their body parts. Tigers are hunted for their skin, teeth, and claws. Crocodiles and snakes are killed for their skin, and from their skin we make leather, and then from that leather we make different leather articles. Elephants are killed because we want to take their tusk. The long teeth of elephants are called as tusk, and with the tusk we make different things, and we sell it in the market and we earn money from it. Rhinoceros are killed for their horns, and we remove the horns from the rhinoceros, we make different articles, again we sell it and we earn money. So we humans are hunting the animals for their body parts so that we become rich. Now this dinosaur and mammoth, no more they are found on the earth. These animals are extinct as they got killed due to the natural events. You can pause the video here and see the list of extinct animals. Now you must be thinking, what is the meaning of this word extinct? The term extinct refers to the species or animals that no longer exist in this world. They have completely disappeared. They have completely vanished from our earth. So that is why they are called extinct animals. Panda, rhinoceros, tiger, etc. are endangered animals. Now you must be thinking, what is the meaning of endangered animals? Endangered animals means the animals which are decreasing in numbers. Decreasing means which are becoming lesser and lesser in number. So children, if the number of this animal keeps on becoming lesser and lesser, then again this animal will become extinct animal like dinosaur, like mammoth. If we do not protect these endangered animals, then they might become extinct animals. Please remember this. So we have to take special care of these endangered animals so that they don't become extinct animals. It is our duty that we should save our forest and we should protect our animals. Any kind of cruelty, such as hunting or killing them, has to be stopped. So we should save our forests, we should save our animals. The bonus tip here is, scientists keeps a record of endangered animals for 50 years. If they don't find any record that they exist in this world, then they declare that animal as extinct animal. like mammoth, dinosaur, dodo birds. No longer their records are there in the world. So that is why long ago only they have been declared as extinct animals. Activity time. Make a colorful poster on Save Animals and Save Forest. You can refer to the pictures down or you can show your own creativity for it. I hope children you all have understood about protecting animals in detail. Give a promise to yourself that you are going to save animals, that you are going to save the forest. Thank you so much.